Triple R. Mr. Jackson, I'm confused. I just can't get these negative numbers, and I'm feeling down.
It's okay, Tony. You can do this. Don't be negative about negatives.
Yeah.
Yo, don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. Don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. When you're adding two numbers and the signs are all the same, you add the absolute value and the sign doesn't change. Let's say you add a -5 with -5. The answer's -10 with a negative sign. This time we'll mix it up and we'll use one negative. We'll add integers with signs opposite. Subtract the smaller from the larger, keep the larger number sign. So 8 plus -17 is -9. Yo, don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. To subtract, you change the sign on the number being subtracted. So sit back and relax and just let the math happen. You'll convert what you're subtracting to the opposite sign and add the two together, yeah, the answer you will find. If you're confused, listen up as the examples start to flow. Yeah, we got +10 minus -4. 4 becomes positive, we convert it, you see. Now add them up and get +14. Yo, don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. When you're multiplying numbers, there are tricks to keep in mind. Like positive times positive is a positive sign, and negative times negative is positive too. But negative times positive is negative, yo. Let's go on to divide, and the rules are just the same. The only change is that you're in division's domain. So the only time you get a sign that isn't positive is when you divide two numbers with signs opposite. Yo, don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. Don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time. When negative numbers find their way in the equation, sometimes it might feel like an alien invasion. I'm saying it's whack, you know, but with some patience, you're gonna succeed. Yeah, with success you'll be tasting. So don't be negative about negative signs. Just use your brain that you'll train, yeah, you're gonna be fine. So don't be negative about negative signs. You'll be dancing with the answers to the questions in time.